The OEMTOOLS vacuum pump uses a single-stage rotary vane design to provide powerful, quiet, high vacuum capability and ensure moisture removal. This tool is critical for performing complete automotive AC service. It is shown here paired with an OEMTOOLS manifold gauge set. Let's get started. Check the sight glass for oil level before you start. If low or empty, you'll need to add the appropriate vacuum pump oil. Connect the yellow hose from your manifold gauge set to the pump. Connect the red hose to the discharge side of the compressor. Connect the blue hose to the suction side of the compressor. Make sure the couplers are securely connected to the system. Open the valve by turning the knob clockwise to start refrigerant flow. Open the manifold valves. Connect the vacuum pump to the proper voltage power supply and turn the vacuum pump power switch on. Run the vacuum pump until it reaches the final vacuum level. Once the final vacuum level is met, close the manifold valves and turn the power switch off.